10:15, wait.
Shut up.
No, but wait, you fucking did it.
Shut the fuck
You
up.
fucking did it, wait.
Oh, la verga. Wow,
You
dude.
fucking did it, wait.
Fuck, and here, dude, that's what I fucking wanted. I wanted to fucking do it in Edinburgh, dude. Congratulations. Fuck yeah.
Congratulations, mate.
Dude, thank you so much, man, for giving me that one last pass, because that's what I needed. Thank you, guys. Dude, I ain't gonna sleep tonight. Woo!
Chato loco. He's happy.
Ah, man, 10:15, I was like, fuck. Dude. Gacho, viejo, gacho. Dude, well fucking deserved, man. Well fucking deserved.
So, ¿qué pegamos?
We hit a stinky 996 at 100 and I think this is my slip.
And I think this is my slip.
The true slip. A ver, vamos a ver.
There we are, hometown track. And not only that, the people that say that it can't be done here in South Texas, we did it at our home track. So that's the best thing about it. And I'm sure better times are coming. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Albert, thank you, man. You killed it tonight. You killed it, man.
No,
if it wasn't,
what I tell you?
if it wasn't for you,
What I say? What number did I say? No, you had 997.
if it wasn't for you, Albert, this shit would have not
I
happened.
fucking told you he was gonna do it, man. Te dije, güey.
Hey, I don't know. You owe me $1,000.
No, me lo estoy chingando. I told you it was a 97.
See, yeah, no, yeah, it was good.
Everybody's happy. Qué bueno.
God, yeah, thanks, man.
Gancho bien bonito,
Gacho, dude, I haven't even checked my 60 foot, man. Albert, llego allá, me dice, 10:15. I'm like, shit. Ni veo, viejo, agárralo tú. I'm all fucking excited, dude. Golly.
996.
Damn, dude. That's
969. I know.
wow, dude. Chingado. Hijo de su madre.
Fue porque lo pusiste neutral.
Ahora sí, fuimos un cigarro.
No me muevas. Damn, guys. Chinga.
Lo único que fumamos es la competencia.
It was a team effort. You're lining up, viejo. Dude, te sacaste la... Gacho.
¡Qué culero!
Gacho.
Yo le digo así.
Kayla fucking killed it all fucking day. I had him grinding on this fucking thing. We had other shit to do, and I was like, fucking grind on this motherfucker. Thank you, Kayla. You're getting a bonus. You're getting a bonus. Hell yeah. Chinga. Fuck, I'm so fucking fun. Gacho. Damn, dude.